The Smartling connector for Iterable enables you to localize all of your Iterable content directly within Smartling. Once you've created your content in Iterable, that will immediately be available within the Smartling platform. Simply navigating to Smartling and selecting the Iterable tab, you'll be able to navigate between the different content types you wish to localize from Iterable, whether that's your email templates, in-app notifications, push notifications, or SMS. Simply select the content you wish to translate. Under Actions, select Request Translations, and create a job name for your content. Select the languages you wish to translate into. You can select one or multiple, all depends on your configuration. Once selected, select Save Job and Continue, and that will pull all of the relevant content across from Iterable directly into the Smartling platform. That will then show within the Smartling dashboard, give you a relevant cost estimate, total word count, and due dates for when those translations will be available back in Iterable. Simply authorize the job directly from the dialog. This will create the job and start the translation workflow. Navigate into the Jobs tab. You can track the request at any point, understanding the progress of how that content is progressing through the translation process. Navigating in the job, you're going to be able to see exactly where the content is within the translation flow, understanding which words are still in the workflow, which content has actually been completed. The Smartling linguist, as they go into translate, edit, and review the content, is not only going to see the relevant content to be translated, they're also going to see all header information, the subject line, the pre-header that also needs to be translated, as well as the content in itself. Smartling provides visual context, so displaying the actual email template and the translations in that template, so the linguist can understand exactly how those translations are going to be displayed on the finalized content. Once the linguist is happy with all of those translations, they can simply submit this, completing the workflow and sending these translations directly back into Iterable. Refreshing the dashboard and the job, you're going to be able to see all content is now complete. As this content gets completed, it is automatically sending the relevant callbacks to Iterable with all of the updated content, updating the language versions of those templates. Navigating back into Iterable and selecting now the language, we can see Spanish is now active. Selecting the Spanish, it's going to now show us the updated content for that language directly in Iterable. You can see our translations have been directly pushed back and updated the relevant areas on the email template. Please feel free to reach out and have your personalized demo of the connector. Thank you for watching.